here is a Carrier Comfort Series running. This is at the fire department, of course. Here are the two carriers I got starting out. And one of these three are actually running. This is like a smaller version of Aiden's carrier. I can't tell if the compressor's running or not, because that one's so ridiculously loud. Yeah, it's running though. Section line's cold and sweaty, which is too quiet. And here are these two. They have not been running, of course. And there was actually a Carrier mini split up there. So, yeah. I'm gonna try to get this unit starting up. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and over and out.